How you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. I'm glad to see you guys once again. Today we're actually finally gonna change the steering wheel on my car. You know, the steering wheel and the 240, it's okay. It doesn't look that good. But today I got a NRG steering wheel, short hub, and the quick release. So I came out in a good deal. So I bought it because I had that money. Why not, right? You know, you only live once, so might as well live it up good, right? So today actually is the day. So I am going to be installing a brand new steering wheel. The steering wheel is made out of suede, which is really, really nice. I was debating whether I should get suede or leather, but I think suede is a little bit better because when you grip on it, it kind of like, it's more softer material, you know what I mean? So today, this is what we're going to be doing, installing the steering wheel, quick release, and the hub. So here's the steering wheel that I bought. What did you guys think, man? Suede. Oh, man, this feels pretty good. Brand new, look at that. It's never been installed. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I got the hub right here, and I got the quick release. I got green because green is actually my second favorite color, which green means it's a very good luck. It means to me, that's what it means to me. I don't know about you guys. It also means, you know, the color of the money. So if you like money, you know where I'm coming from, right? So stay tuned, and you're about to see how to install a quick release, short hub, and a steering wheel on a 1996 Nissan 240SX. So this is what you're gonna use: 19mm extension, star key T50, Phillips screwdriver, short extension 10mm, 1/2 inch drive, and a 3/8 drive. Okay, and first thing you're gonna do is, because when you're working with airbags and stuff and electrical components, I would suggest to go ahead and unplug, take out the negative post, so everything, the whole system will be turned off. So that's what you're gonna do first, okay? So the guys that had this car before me, they took the start plug nuts out, so they put some 13-inch bolts in there. So that's what I'm doing. Taking the bolts out. So it has 13mm bolts in here. It doesn't have the star key. The guys before me, look at that, they didn't put the right bolts back on there. So I brought the 15 key for nothing. So right now I'm taking this 13mm bolts because like I said, they didn't put the right bolts back in here, so I brought my tools for nothing. Remember, all my tools are at the shop. Look at this. They took all this piece too. It's not even on there. So they basically took everything out. So now what you want to do is put your steering wheel straight. This steering wheel wasn't straight, so I'm going to put it as straight as possible. So you look underneath here. There it is, right there. So I'm hoping they put the right bolt back in there, and they did. They put the 19. So now you turn to the left. All right. So now, take the 19mm bolt. Don't take it all the way out. So now you're gonna yank the steering wheel. There it is. Came right out. I hope you guys are enjoying today's vlog. Here's the 19mm. Now this is completely out. This is my old steering wheel. So now I'm gonna grab the hub. So I'll be right back. So I grabbed the hub, I got everything here. So they were basically saying that the line has to line up here with the hub. So down a second, take this part out. And the hub has to line up with the wait, let me put the wrong. Oh, I see. Just like this. There it is. So after you finish putting the hub, you grab screws to mount the short hub. Line them up. You don't need to force them in. They gotta lined up. They gotta go in by themselves. Then you get the L range. In my opinion, you do it crisscross. Crisscross. Take your time. Remember, nobody's chasing you. Tie them up real good. You don't have to over tie them. Just enough to where they're already tight enough. There it is. Now I have to go get the steering wheel and install the steering wheel. So now, you just put all the screws back. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm finishing up. It's pretty simple. I didn't even read no instructions. Didn't even go online and do research. You just gotta follow the holes and all that. You're gonna be alright. Take your time. You don't wanna strip the screws, because if you strip them, that's it. I also want to send a shout out to my niece. She just graduated from college. Her name is Glenda. Congratulations, niece. I hope you achieve that and more. I'm very happy that you made it. So that's it, guys. Pretty much, you know what I mean? Just take your time screwing these things. Screw them real tight. Real tight. Right here I forgot to go crisscross, but do crisscross when you tighten up this the screws with the L wrench. Now that I got them all tight, So if you guys want to know how much I got the steering wheel and the quick release and the hub and everything, online on eBay and Amazon, they go for around $350 to $400. It depends who you run up to. I got this, the whole setup, for $190 from a guy that needed the money. I went to Atlanta 240SX.com. That's where I bought it from. I went over there and look at the steering wheel before I bought it. Make sure that everything fitted for my car. So what I'm doing right now, I'm tying them up, taking my time tying them up. You gotta be super tight, man, because remember, if you're gonna be doing some drifting or some burnouts or driving on the road, you gotta make sure that they're tight, because you don't want to lose grip on this thing and then get in a car accident. So that's what I'm doing right now, taking my time, tying them up. You will feel when you need to stop. Don't force them in. So there you go. Done deal. Boom. There you have it. We're done. Okay. Now we're gonna take it for a test drive and see how it works. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Alright, I hope this helped you to install your quick release. There it is, right? You put it on. And that's all there is to it. Peace. Please subscribe if you're new to the channel. I'm out. And again, I want to send a special shout out to my niece that just graduated from college. I hope you do that and more. I hope you go a long way, okay? And to all my subscribers, thank you for the support. And I'm out. Peace.
I got no friends. I got the gun. That city in. Look at my bed.